Cynthia Griffith, and I'm going to show you my favorite way to embellish a curtain. This is a great way to add just a little bit of detail to an otherwise simple panel. Start by using your measuring tape to mark 8 inches from the bottom of the panel. Use a ruler and a pencil and mark all the way across in one straight line. Starting on one edge, take your ribbon and tuck it to the back of the panel and then pin the very end. Measure 3 inches from the edge, hold and twist your ribbon, flip it over. You'll want to pin each side of your twist. Once your ribbon is in place, stitch a seam from one edge to the other, removing the pins as you go.